Yo, Alex, are you stuck in the washing room silly again? Yeah, I'm so silly. I'm just so silly. What the fuck happened to Yo, what's up? Thank you, Badia. What's up, Val? How are you guys? We're trying to see if Leo can set up a proper connection because I don't even know where he is. He's just in the middle of buttfuck nowhere. So just let me do this real quick. Let me take a picture. Perfect. Post it to my story. How's everybody? Link youtube.com/@thelab.live. And we are good to go. Really want to get us to 5K this week, so I've made it my fucking mission. Okay. There we go. Sorry about that. Yo, what's up, Panos? Panos! Let me move this here. That. MFFU pros, you know the whole spiel. We need a banger 1.5R, Alex, like soon. Bro, we're gonna get one today. Don't even worry about it. We're gonna catch an absolute banger today. I am not even pressed about it. I remember back when Louis V. Allah had. Let's make some cheese. Okay. 9:13, 17 minutes till the open. Can you do a pre-market analysis? Yeah, I was just about to get into that, bro. I was just like posting on socials, X, Y, Z, Z, X, Y, B, all of the above. Okay. Probably should be trading a mini on these funded accounts, but it is what it is, honestly. Super large expansion day yesterday. Almost, I don't even know what it was. I think it was like 1.5% day. I'm expecting a continuation here into the highs, especially because it's Friday. I do think that they're going to want to entertain the idea of potentially going higher. So the first thing that I'm aiming for is potentially this and that. We'll see if we start rejecting. Obviously, I could be wrong on my draw on liquidity today. I have not been right this past week, so I'm just letting everybody know right now. There's some take what I say with a grain of salt this week because it's been doing the complete opposite of whatever the fuck I wanted to do. However, we do have a nice reaccumulation here on the hourly chart. Also on the 4-hour, you do have a swing to the upside. You already took the previous daily high, which is not a good look for longs, but it doesn't matter. It is what it is. You'll be wrong again, bro. It's going lower. Sure, that's fine. I don't mind being wrong. July 1st highs look good. I think target for today. Yeah. Of course, are you the same in the prop compare Discord? Oh, you guys are talking to each other. I was like, what? So yeah, we'll see. We will see. I think an ideal scenario for me would be something like this, where we take out a low and then potentially continue higher. But it all depends on what the fucking the 9:30 open wants to do. I could see ES hitting previous daily high even if we trade lower today. Yeah, Sam, I think they want to continue it. I think they want to continue with this today. So probably just make it open to low. The question is, when we're pretty sure on a bias, and this is something that has helped me develop a good understanding, is when we have a good bias and a good draw on liquidity, the question is, we know the candlestick, we know the higher time frame candlestick is going to be an open to low and then high and close, right? We know that the existing candlestick is going to want to make an open to a low right? Like this is the high time frame view, and then this is the lower time frame view, right? You guys know what I'm saying? So this is the higher time frame view. This is the lower time frame view. So the question is, if we have a strong draw on liquidity, we understand that the higher time frame candlestick is going to make an open to a low, high, and then a close. That is the sequence and the order of the candlestick for higher, obviously. Simple. The question is, how low will this go? You know what I mean? Like how low? Good morning, Mr. Kane. How low is this low going to be? So it's not that you necessarily have to catch the absolute bottom Pico reversal. It's more so you want to potentially find yourself framing this continuation here or here, at least at a discounted price point, right? To engulf prior candle wick. It doesn't necessarily have to engulf, right? By engulf, I'm assuming you mean ENG. But yeah, your job is not to necessarily position yourself in the bottom Pico of the wick, but rather find a valid reversal structure within the wick that can then lead you to an entry that's backed statistically to then target a logical high. So if we take that logic and we apply it to what we're seeing currently, we can use midnight opening price as our opening, right? Some people like to use CME. That's fine. Sure, we can use both. But where the fuck is it? Here it is. So here we have the daily opening, right? So that same logic that we were just speaking on is what's being shown displayed here, right? You have your daily opening price, you have your wick, because the daily candlestick currently looks like this. I'm going to manually draw this out because I want you guys to see exactly what I mean. So this is what the daily candlestick looks like right now. Right. And so you see that price came down open, took out this previous hour low, right? Some good defense there. I'm assuming there might have been a divergence at these lows, ever so slightly here. So ES actually managed to take this low while NQ did not. And so now you have a newly established range, right? From here to here. And so ideally, if you want to continue, or if you want to catch a nice continuation, you would want to position yourself below the opening price of the higher time frame candlestick, or at least at a discounted price for us to see higher. Does that make sense to everyone? What's up, Trent? Also, be sure to subscribe. We're going to be doing some account giveaways at 5K um, subs. So whether we hit that today, whether we hit that over the weekend, going into next week, we will be giving away accounts for 5K subs. Exceptional explanation. Thanks, Sean. Thanks for the short edu, as always. Yeah, got you. Can you rig it in my favor? I'm locked in. Hell yeah. And then you'll soon start to realize that like the reason time frame pairings are so important is because look at how the 4 hour has given you an expansion. And let me plot the daily candlestick. First of all, actually, let me do this because I want you guys to see something almost with X-ray vision. And not that you guys are going to be blown away, but I want you guys to see this. So think about this, right? This is the 15-minute chart. This is the 4 hour chart. And this is the daily. So look at this. The 15-minute chart had a market maker buy model on the lower time frame. The 4-hour chart had a 4-hour swing. Once this 4-hour swing was confirmed, that was the formation of the wick on the daily candlestick. Does that make sense? So again, you don't have to position yourself. You don't have to position yourself in the wick, right? You could always wait for the confirmation and participate in the fourth candle and then target above the opening price. But the idea is that ideally you want to be below the opening price if you're looking for higher.
Order working. Order cancelled.
Sorry, I just wanted to see if it was working.
Order working. Order cancelled.
Perfect. But yeah, I didn't know if I was going to get my order rejected, so I just wanted to see. I don't trade 4-hour, but are forming 4-hour swing to the short side. Yeah, obviously here we have something. You've taken that external high, 239s, etc. What's up, Ronnie? But yeah, that is what that looks like. That's why you pair multiple time frames. What's up? I remember back in Louis V, I used to have. What's up, Jordan? Would we need to close below the previous candle high? Yes. Can I ask you a question about the tool you're using? Yes. Okay, thanks, Alex. What do you think about shorts on the M3 inversion with the SMT on the highs? I think they're valid. I think the one you posted yesterday's Screen Studio. Alex, what's your prediction today? My prediction is that we go lower for higher. That is my prediction. Also, be sure to drop a like, be sure to subscribe. Use code LAB at your favorite firms. DBT 40% off, Lucid 30% off. What else we got in the tank? I know the my funded future rapid accounts are being leved. Be sure to drop a like, subscribe, boys. Sub. We're so close to 5K. We will do a giveaway today if we get to 5K, actually. I'm surprised we didn't hit the 4-hour FGG. 2 minutes. Good luck, everyone. Yeah, good luck. You see us going to lower, even if the lower exists form, even if the lower. Well, yeah, I wouldn't like not to say that the low would be taken, but I could see us potentially reaccumulating below this low, like something like this, unless we get like an instant confirmation here of higher. I see lower than a pump. Yeah, I'm with you. But if you get like a 1 minute CSD, which I think if 930 just wants to go, it'll probably just go. But Fuck. Boys, my throat is killing. Don't. Da 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 dum. Dum. Da 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 dum. Dum. Da 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 dum. Let's see if we take out this low. I would actually love that. No, it looks like it doesn't want to. I guess we might just have to hop on this train ride. Hog rider. You're gonna get that 1 minute CST, 27-point stop. Oh shit, I couldn't see where my thing was. All right, fuck it. What do we want to target? We are in this, boys. We'll look to go break even above the 82s. Either we get fucking cooked or whatever. It is what it is. I'm willing to accept my risk on this. We'll know instantly if we get cooked. That's all I'm gonna say. Fuck me. Sorry. I'm feeling a little under the weather. Small size here because obviously it's 9:30. We're trying to play the 9:30 continuation, but small size here. Yeah. See if we get a nice little impulse higher potentially here. Just want to see if we can get above into the 75s, I think, actually, if it's capable of getting up there. What's up, Nico? Whoa, my fucking trade of 8 is lagging a little bit. It just glitched on me. That'd be happening sometimes. My trade of 8 just glitches like crazy. Beautiful movement here. Can we get a continuation higher here? Just a quick little impulse. What's up, smart fool? How are you, brother? Yeah, not looking too good, boys. Might get stopped here. Let's see. 3224. I liked it. We did get the 1 minute CST, so still valid. Plus the 30-second as well. But it looks like we might actually get stopped on this one. And that is me. Unfortunate, but it does happen. I'm willing to give this another shot if we get below this low as well. Don't. Da 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 don't. Don't. Da 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 don't. Mm. Went short off that breaker, trilled too aggressively, got taken out. Hey, bro, it happens. Good stuff. Good stuff nonetheless. Let's see if NQ wants to take out that low. Leo coming. I will let you guys know. I'm not sure. I'm done. Limited to 1 minute OB from the 9 a.m. C2. Fire. Tris has been on the right side, boys. He's been on the right side of the market. Can see the market running to the equals lows now. Good morning, Bella. How are you? How are you doing? Good, I hope. Hope you're enjoying the US. All right, boys. I think I want to try some longs here soon. Just waiting on that 15, 30-second confirmation. Jesus. Holy downside. What's my narrative for going long the 4-hour swing? Should be here, actually. This is the area. All right, boys. I'm gonna give some longs here at 187. Stop is at the low. See if we get a continuation here. Beautiful movement here. I'll look to go break even near the 218s. Bring it above that to be splendid. Beautiful. All right, I'm break even on this trade here at the 186s. Can we get a nice little continuation potentially? This should be the area where we reverse from, ideally, in my head. 9:39. 15 seconds till the next 5-minute candle. Beautiful price action here. Yep, lovely indeed. TP is at 276. Either we get stopped break even or it hits our TP. So it's now within a 5-minute imbalance. Come on, NQ. Sorry, guys. Done for the day? Hell yeah. This 5-minute imbalance might actually fuck me. Damn it, boys. Come on, NQ. Show us some strength here. I'm not fighting it, bro. That's okay. I have complete full faith. Should be fine. Just targeting the 283s actually. I don't know. Is it because it's M and Q? Am I bugging? Oh no. 283. Sorry. That is the target. ES kind of needs to pick it up here. Uncle Braden. Braden. Oh my God. You okay? Production? Gee. Okay, we're back above the 4-hour opening price. So I really want to see an expansion, nice little expansion here if possible into the highs. Might look to close out at the 9:30 open.
Good morning.
What's up? I'm just
I'm
narrating through this trade. I'm in this long right now.
okay.
Hopefully, the last few minutes here get us towards the high. That'd be fucking nice.
You got a pretty nice rejection there.
Yeah.
Pretty nice.
Or at
Pretty
9:30 might
nice.
give us fucking issues. 238 could be heavy, yeah.
This 50-minute candle is closing nicely. I think you're fine. And you got the strongest asset.
Man, what's up, NQ? Strongest asset. I love you, NQ. You're the strongest asset for real.
Don't talk like
Tell
that.
you, big mama. NQ, you the strongest asset, baby. You the one, baby. Let me tell you something, baby. Let me tell you something, baby. Sorry, guys. I'm like acting out a little bit. So sorry.
Nothing at the moment for me. I do not see anything too interesting. Can't long it. Definitely won't short it. Obviously won't short it.
I might just like trail to 244 to secure 3R because I feel like there's no reason I shouldn't.
Follow the plan.
Uh,
Follow the plan.
all right.
Order filled.
Oh my God. 4.3 R's. Boy, 4.3 R's. 4.3 R's. Honestly, what a banger. That was such a banger. 82 points, boys. 1.6K across the two My Funded Futures Pros, so about 3.3K on the fundeds on the pros. What a fucking banger. What a banger.
Yeah, she
We
was
hey,
nice.
we caught a small loss. Honestly, we caught like a I think it was like a 19-point loss at first, but we came back. I was like, I'm so sure this has to give us what we want. It has to. So nice little 4.3 R, boys. It's been a while since I actually caught something. Well, actually, not to, be that guy, but it's actually less because my stop was at the tippy low. So it was almost 5R. So not to be that guy or anything.
1 minute breaker incoming for continuation. No, no,
Oh yeah, yeah, Kane. We just closed out. Banger. What did I say? I said we would catch something. Said I got y'all.
Did you
This was
play with
actually,
15-second OB in there?
yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
This was purely 15-second play.
Crazy.
Lovely TP. Yeah, I was like, I'm not gonna be a dick for a tick. I'll move it from the 283s to just the 930 high because I figure if they're gonna want to reject it, they might just do it from the 930 high. So I just moved it to
Mm-hmm.
270.
Mm-mm. Yeah, we failed to
Wait,
confirm that 15-minute bearish breaker closing below 8, so it kind of sets the tone for us to either continue higher or just chop into the close. Because if we had closed below the 8 o'clock low at the 9:30 candle there, that would have been nice for continuation shorts to close out the week to get down into like these gaps from yesterday. Um, but we haven't gotten that, so it's probably just going to continue higher or chop about. Nothing for me. Nothing for me, boss. Nothing for me.
bro, I'm still thinking about what Kane did yesterday. It was so funny where he was like, I don't know what it was. He was like, and he like scared everybody, and the chart wasn't doing shit. That shit was so funny.
Little jump scare. There's your highs coming. Sweet.
That shit was so funny, bro.
It's fucking jump scare some. Fucking too funny.
Yeah, one of my friends that was watching literally called me. He was like, "Bro, fucking Kane." I, I thought something would fucking happen and my chart wasn't loading. I got so stressed.
Thought he accidentally put on 1,000 cons or something. I don't know. No, bro. That Asia low
Yeah.
divergence speed created was nice. The only way I could have gotten in is if I had just entered on that SMT creation with a stop at Asia low.
I could see them playing a range though. after yesterday. You
Me
know?
too. Me too. I mean, they've already kind of have since 10:30 yesterday. So not exactly too keen. But yeah, I don't think I would have longed.
The only thing with these pro accounts is that it's a 14-day payout period.
14
Wouldn't be
days?
yeah, but it's uncapped. Yeah, or not
Hmm.
uncapped. It's a 100K payout. I haven't traded with my fund of futures in so long. But yeah, boys, these pro accounts are pretty good. You just build a buffer. Anything above that's 80/20, and then it's 100K. Obviously, top max payout, which obviously I'm not gonna get 100K on my first payout, but it would be nice to get like 4K on each account. Yeah, it is kind of crazy. Yeah, but no, they're or because I hadn't purchased an account from them for so long. I still had the 1 day to pass, no activation fee. I think it was like 114 bucks with a code lab. I'm shorting, might get cooked. No, bro. Good luck. I think they play this range. I think they play this range. But yeah, boys, don't forget to drop a like, subscribe. We're so close to 5K. Yeah, Kane is already tried. I figured Kane would be short. GG hit the opening shorts and longs to the highest. Great week. Thanks, Lab. Got you, Justin. Killing animal. I'm done. GG, lads. Have a good weekend.
Nice, good shit.
Oh, already short. Already rich. But I'm trying to make you rich. Already rich. Fuck, boys.
How far are we actually away from 5K? Because if we hit 5K today, that would be excellent.
Dude, I don't know what it is, but like the number's like not updating. It's like kind of glitched.
Huh.
Because we were at 4.95 yesterday. And then this morning I opened it and it was like 4.9 flat. And then like I was refreshing to see if something would change and the number doesn't change. So I think something's glitched.
Mm.
This is barcoding, not something I want to be part of. Damn, you guys really need to watch that Succession peak show, honestly. Succession was awesome. So good, man. So good. I was telling Kane about Entourage as well. If you guys have seen that, I really like it. Industry bores me. I like it. I just think it was also just like so much. Entourage is my show, dude. It's so good. It's just funny, man. It's like it's a show about you, literally, like if you and your boys just worked in LA.
My
You
mouse is all
sell drugs and
fucked.
sex. Yeah.
Anyone ever had this with your mouse where like you try
I
to
started
scroll
watching
and
it
it
because of the clips that I would see, but like it was like trading. But then it just like and the occasional bit of finance. Yeah. Harper was boring. Nose pierce shorty, bro. How's your coffee, Mr. Bray?
good? It's good.
Good.
Yeah.
What kind of bean?
Um, from a
What kind
coffee
of bean you
plant.
using? Oh, you're muted.
How am I muted?
Sorry. No.
I was wondering if I was
Yeah,
muted
yeah.
or not
Sorry,
because I
sorry.
got like because I was talking and I got like and then you like interrupted me. I was like, does he not hear me?
Sorry, sorry. My volume was super low. I thought you were, I was like, what?
Oh, I see. See how it is. Yeah, that's
Sorry.
why it cut me off. I was like, fuck this guy. What the hell? It's like I was in the middle of talking and then he just like, so anyway, yeah, Entourage is pretty sick. I was like, oh my God. I was just trying to talk about my shitty mouse problems that I'm having. It's like, okay, I guess it's not my turn. What coffee bean? I get my beans from Costco.
Colombian.
I don't think so. I don't know. I think it's a Canadian brand, but I don't know where they're sourced from. They're roasted in Canada, but I don't know where we get them from.
I'll tell you. Alex beans, roasted and cooked. Alex beans.
Yeah,
Alex
I don't
beans.
know. Something's going on with my mouse. Basically, I'm trying to scroll and it like doesn't like the scroll just doesn't work and then it just like lags and lags and lags and it's just like it takes 5 minutes for it to scroll where I wanted it to. I don't know if it's a connection thing or if my mouse is just chopped or what. If anyone has any fixes, it's a Logitech mouse. If anyone has any fixes, yeah, it's Logitech. I've never had that issue with it. So I'm using a different mouse right now, but yeah, I'll see if I can replicate what's wrong with it. So like I'll try to scroll and like the scroll is super slow. Sometimes like well, now it's working okay. But like if I go to um sometimes it'll like cut out and then the scroll just won't work. Sometimes the Logi options app stops working properly, like my mouse button goes to factory reset. Put it upside down, press it a bit, and roll the mouse on the scroll wheel back and forth. So just like pressure on the scroll wheel to like connect it again. Did you leave it in a bag of rice? Uh, I always leave it in a bag of rice before I go to bed. That's where it sleeps. That's where I put it to go to sleep.
It's crazy that Rice be doing that, actually.
Rice just be doing shit. Too much scroll on P Hub. Holy, relax. Is that a first time chatter, by the way? Is that a first time chatter?
We brought him out of the bushes, bro, just for him to
Yeah.
comment. Let me see channel activity. No, 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 no. He's been here.
That's funny as shit.
Yeah, boy. It is
This
like
day,
his
yes.
10th comment.
Yeah, still. It's crazy. Crazy out of
I did
him.
my girl in Rice. She has guy friends. Yeah, it's
If
boy.
you watch like who watches porn
Alex
on a
leaves it in
computer?
a
That's crazy.
bag or powder.
You put your girl in the bin.
Long time listener, first time caller. That's how it's gonna be when we start recruiting. You know how like colleges call or I guess like the NFL teams call the players. They're like, "Hello, is this Davadian Johnson? You're gonna make it to the Seattle Seahawks, brother. Congratulations." If you guys get random calls, it's gonna be me. I'm gonna be like, "You made it to the lab. Congratulations." 20 million company free ride video. Alex, can you send me the link to your video on the options crash course? Do I have an options crash course video? Maybe I do. The
Not
lab
that I
left,
know of.
yeah.
I would have watched it if you had one.
I think I do. I just don't know.
I've been waiting a year and a half for Leo's options course.
Oh, true.
Bro's stingy.
You had it stream a couple days ago. Oh, bro, I'll try to remember. I we've what's it called?
Yeah.
You had it on stream a couple days ago, bro. A couple days ago could have been a couple weeks.
How do you
Plus,
feel
we
about
stream
your
so much, like I don't think I'm even gonna remember what day. I'll try and look for it though. How do you guys feel about your girl having platonic guy friends?
I mean, depends. Depends, but if you're concerned about it, then you either don't trust her or you're
I
insecure.
just
So
got
figure it
formatted.
out and go from there. You good? He's gone. He's cooked. Funny thing is, I don't even know what he's laughing about. Oh, yeah. I was wondering. I figured it might have been Kane's comment. It's a respect thing. Put her in the. I mean, mine doesn't have any platonic guy friends. Actually, that's not true. But he's gay, so it's kind of okay.
Oh, okay. That's a good medium.
I mean, yeah, they work together. No, not
It's a
fake
good
gay.
mid. It's a good midpoint.
Trust me, not fake gay.
It's a good
Trust me.
equilibrium.
That's worse, TVH. What do you know?
She has non-platonic
No,
guy friends.
she doesn't have any guy friends, you dumbass. I don't know. I don't get all fucking worked up about that shit. If they're gonna do something that's completely out of your control, so you may as well just like not worry about it and don't be such an insecure fucking bitch, you know?
Braid says, "Trust me," but they gotta only male friends you can accept are the gay ones, but they gotta prove themselves. What do you mean?
Wait, what? Prove themselves, yeah. Yeah, I'll send them over to you to prove themselves, London.
Yeah.
I'll send them over to you. You could be my quality control guy. No, no, no. Yeah, I don't know, man. We're not here to give. Okay, Brave, she was like, Bray, I'm going out with this guy friend from college for dinner. I feel like,
Bro, this is like such a specific
yeah,
scenario, bro.
yeah.
What is
I don't
going on?
know. I would probably question and be like, who is this person? Have I met this person? Is he married? I don't know. It's very, very specific.
Yeah. This
I
looks
don't
like a
think
good long.
I don't think my fiance would ever put herself in a situation like that. So like even if she wanted to go for dinner with one of her old friends from college, I'd probably be like, all right, sweet, I'll pick you up when you want. Like it's out of my control. I'm not gonna be controlling like that.
This looks like a decent long too. What's up? The lab Friday therapy. My wife's boyfriend takes her out all the time.
Saves you money.
Sean is funny, but I had to delete it. Yeah. She had me dying.
My girl said I'm
Gotta
gonna go
have
have dinner
three
with Kane
eyes
at
for
Crash Out.
fun.
I'll see you in the gym, bro.
Yeah, like if she's rich and wants to send me money, that's also fine.
Yeah.
That's fucking crazy.
You wanna take my girl out? It's gonna cost you.
I'm seeing a different side of of all of our viewers today.
The guys they
The girl in
dated
the lab
hated me.
Discord in the chat
That's
every
usually
day.
how it goes. I mean, if you're 6 foot, 6'5", 6'6", and well off and handsome and all that
7
stuff,
foot, 8 foot.
I'd probably wouldn't blame them for hating you, right?
My
All dark and
fees
handsome.
5x 50K flexes.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, take her out and take her out for food and whatever. I'm hitting the links. Yeah, random. It sounds like you just got to maybe have a chat with your lady and not chat on a trading YouTube stream. We're not exactly the most, not exactly the most qualified people to give you relationship advice. We're probably just gonna troll you instead.
Are you in this? No, I didn't manage to get in. I just called it out. I was like, this looks fucking great. No, I didn't dig it. Still looks good though. I think you'll get a nice impulse here above the 75s. We'll see.
Who was the girl in the lab Discord in the chat every day? I don't know. We had a couple.
I
There
don't
was one
know.
who always like gave signals. She's like, I'm short here. And we'd always like, eventually she started making fun of her, but
The lab game night. I think I think
that'd be
the
sick.
lab Pokemon pack opening night. I've got that down. I got the camera angle down and everything. Don't laugh. Don't laugh.
You just don't strike me as a Pokemon person, you know?
Rip packs.
Name 5 Pokemon.
uh Douglet.
Mm,
Douglet.
no.
Douglet.
Funny thing is, Diglett, you dummy.
I'm just kidding. I used to play a lot. I had a
Yeah.
3DS back then, obviously.
Oh yeah.
I forgot
Yeah,
what I played
Radish,
through.
yeah.
What did I play through? I actually recently, um, what's it called? I recently played through Ultra Moon.
What's that?
It was really good. I liked it. It's just nice having a 3DS. I bought this shit off like Etsy. It was like fucking what's it called? Japanese. It had all the games. Then it just crashed on me.
Oh no.
Yeah,
Oh no.
I know.
Squirtle, Blastoise, Pikachu, Mewtwo, Jigglypuff.
Jiggly,
Jigglypuff.
my favorite. Jigglypuff. Pikachu, Charmander, Leokane, Alex. I love that you kind of misspelled like
All of them.
except for the lab members.
What's that one that can transform into any other Pokemon? It's Mew. No,
No, I
Ditto
think
too.
Ditto,
Mew
yeah,
can
except for
copy
Ditto.
powers. Ditto can change into a bunch of different ones. Yeah, that's right. Dr. Wackenstein has got it on lock. I don't know. I don't have anything here. Nothing.
Nah, boys, I'm not in this. It looked good until it didn't. The Easter hoping. No, 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 boys, I'm not in this. I'm not in this. Doesn't look terrible, but this consolidation is pretty rough. And if I do take it, it's going to be very small size because I don't want to give back anything from the previous trade. So I have full port and pray. Nah, nah, boss. Maybe out of here would be nice.
And this is just chopping.
Yeah.
Chop, chop.
Order working.
Let's see. I'm gonna try just one micro
Order filled. Order working.
at 221. Stop is at 203. I'll pretty much just look to go break even if we get above the 44s. But yeah, my risk here is like $32. Oh, there you go. Nice. All right, I'm just gonna go break even here, boys. At 221.75. It's like it should be the previous three. Oh, was it? No, I thought it was a previous 5 minute high, but I was mistaken. Whatever. Stop is break even at 221.75. Just looking to target the high.
Order working.
If they play it, they're gonna play it out of here, to be honest. Break even, Steven. Are you allergic to anything, Bray?
Um, I used to be allergic to a lot of shit. Used to be allergic to like peanuts, pet dander. Couldn't have
Really?
eggs. Yeah, I was allergic to a lot of stuff as a baby. As like a small child.
Damn.
Yeah, I outgrew all of it. Pet dander still kind of gets me, but what do you ask?
You leveled up, you evolved. You're no longer allergic. The
I
Bray
didn't even get like
evolution.
tested for it. I just said like fuck it one day I'm gonna try eating peanut butter. Like
Bray
fucking and
evolution,
then yeah,
Brady.
it was weird. I felt unstoppable.
I'm not allergic to anything, actually, luckily.
No. Yeah, why do you ask that? That's such a random question.
Yeah, it is pretty random.
Yeah,
We might
that's
get stopped
crazy.
like even here, boys.
Random's full of random questions today, though.
Yeah.
Bray, you can cure it. Just eat a whole jar and you'll get used to it like a vaccine. Yeah.
Break even trade, boys. Oh my
A
God.
sting from a wasp would actually kill me. Damn. Wait, you're allergic to what? Or bees? Bees are a common allergy because don't wasps just bite? They don't.
We've been on this planet thousands of years and still allergic to pollen. That's true. What's good with that? What's good with that, yo?
They carry a small toxin. Okay. Watch my back.
Just better not run
Yeah,
after stopping your break
random's
even.
gonna come for me. He's trying to find what I'm allergic to so he could sabotage me. He thinks I'm his lady's guy friend. Better not be friends with my girl. Oh, bro. Better not be.
So on this
Yeah, I'm not super into this PA either. Hence why we're discussing allergies
random shit.
and random shit, literally. This mouse thing is pissing me off. I hope my mouse isn't shit in the bed.
This mouse thing is pissing me off. I don't know. It's like it has full auto control. Order failed. What the
Order
fuck?
failed, order failed, order rejected, order failed.
Wait, what's it doing?
Stop failed, stop failed. I don't know, guys. It's crazy. It's crazy. That'd be a hell of an email, hey. Hot, dear Lucid Trading. You might have noticed that I blew the hell out of my account today. Let me explain to you what actually happened. I have a Logitech MX Master 3S, and it is a piece of shit.
Bro, I actually have like my mouse is just like so basic. It's like a little travel Logitech one. I take it everywhere. It's
Oh, that's
tiny,
cute.
like,
Yeah, that's tiny.
but it's lasted me like probably 7 years. I've had it since college.
That's crazy. Yeah, I really like the MX one. It's super ergonomic.
I like trackpads. I like it too if I'm like using a design app, you know. Like I think then it makes sense. But for everything like daily work, KISS, keep it simple, stupid. Ray, do you have a Mac or Windows? I think he has Windows PC,
I have
right?
both. I have a MacBook too. I have a PC,
Oh, you
Windows
have a MacBook.
PC, and I have a MacBook. But I just use this mouse on Windows. I don't use it on
Somebody let me
because
know when
it's
SpaceX
slow.
hits $70.
Dude, SpaceX it literally just missed $100 and then rallied all the way up to 140. Now it's back.
Exactly. They're just getting everybody long.
Yeah. I have a alert at 100. And then anything below there, I'll just start accumulating. I want to buy this thing cheap. Has no business being $136.
Yeah, yeah. I agree with you. I'd buy more at 50.
That'd
Bro,
be
they're gonna
nice.
liquidate everybody and their fucking mother.
Oh yeah, it's gonna be a story for sure.
Like they're gonna margin call everyone on that shit. And then they're gonna buy it up. It's a tale old as time. Whatever the saying is. The story's old as tale.
There you go. That's the one. That's the one.
That sounds like the right one. Yeah, we will buy more.
What you got going on this weekend, Alex and chat?
Bro, I don't know. I'm actually feeling kind of sick, so I think I might just chill and stay home and
Nice.
maybe like DJ for myself, practice a little bit. I've been practicing
Excuse me?
like an
Are
hour every
you
day.
what?
Yeah,
You got
dude.
you got the tables? Are you
Yeah.
I didn't know you did that.
Yeah. Well, I used to be a drummer for a band actually.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
That's cool as fuck.
I played the drums for a while, but then yeah, I stopped after like I turned like 20. Had to
Getting
go to
old.
work. Yeah.
You guys see what it's doing on my chart? It's like slowly
Oh,
glitching
yeah.
over. That's what's going
Yeah.
on. Like I scrolled a while ago.
Yeah, yeah.
I don't know what the hell's going on. I'll just ask Claude and it'll solve all my problems as usual. No trades today, HM. There was the shorts were nice. To be fair, I got home from work basically like right before 9:30. So I wasn't even prepped and ready to take anything. The shorts down to um projections below 1800 opening price would have been a play. I wouldn't have captured a long personally. I think Friday we're likely just going to consolidate or we're going to just kind of cap the weekly candle, you know. You slam your mouse down really hard, it usually fixes it.
If
I feel like I'd bust it into pieces.
it doesn't fix it, I'll buy you a coffee. Damn, that's a
So
solid
I
deal.
the scroll method. So turn it upside down and just roll it like with pressure on the scroll wheel.
Turtle soup.
Turtle poop.
Let me put you guys on the turtle soup method.
Fast and medium pressure as long as you can forward and back and do it a bunch of times nonstop quick. Okay. Have the mouse on or off?
Why? I never stopped to ask myself why it was called turtle soup. Like it was Linda. It was Linda Rashke. I think that's how you say it.
Yeah.
Yeah, Linda Rashke. I can't believe I spelled that correctly. Holy shit. Um, turtle soup. Why this name? Oh, okay. So apparently, legendary trader Richard Dennis ran a famous experiment in the 1980s. They trained a group of novice traders, affectionately nicknamed the Turtles, because they reflected the late general crowd. So it was like a play on her cooking the turtles. So it's turtle soup.
Pretty elaborate.
Yeah, I thought it'd be easier than that. I thought it was gonna be like,
Yeah,
oh, because I like, I don't know,
yeah.
turtle soup.
It's kind of a reach. Yeah, kind of a
Yeah,
reach.
I'm like, this is overly complicated.
Yeah. Man, this is crazy. Failed to confirm the 50-minute bearish breaker. Well, not once, not twice, but three times, and then finally 10:15 sends it through. Tough one today.
I remember back in Louis V, I used to have. Can't believe that one post didn't do well. I did like this trial reel and it was like one Coke, zero, please. Sir, we only have regular Coke. 13 tequila sodas, then mate. If we get any buying, I'll long to 50%. No, I think they'll want to extend this a little lower before bringing it back up. Now we have equal highs, so I do like that, but it has to be a little bit later on. I'd say like 11 maybe. By that time, I'm fucking done. Mm. Mm, 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 mm. Did you watch the Spider-Man movie?
No, I haven't.
Would you? Are you gonna go watch it? No. You like into Marvel?
I feel like um I like Marvel, but I feel like it's such a chore to keep up with all the movies. They always have always it's too much, you know? Like I'd have to get caught up to watch the new Spider-Man. Because aren't there a bunch that
Oh,
came before it? I'm just not caught up.
you haven't. What was the last movie, Marvel movie you watched?
Oh my God, long time ago. I think it was I don't even remember what it was. Yeah. I haven't watched like anything in order since what the hell?
my, my girlfriend watched Spider-Man with her friend, with her man friend.
I think I watched dude, it was so long ago. I watched Endgame.
That was the last one you watched?
Yeah,
Bro, it's been 7 years.
I know. I know. I don't really want, yeah. I grew up like enjoying like watching, you know, all the superheroes, but truth be told, just
That
don't
movie
keep up
was
with it.
great. That movie was great though.
Endgame was good, yeah. I'm not a big well, I like movies, but I don't get all fucking wacky about them, you know? I'll see it when I see it. I only watch it for Black Widow. You're such a gooner, dude. You're such a gooner.
Dude, my body's like completely entirely sore. I do not feel like cooking breakfast after this.
Chick-fil-A.
I'm about to eat this Chick-fil-A. I'm about to eat this Chick-fil-A. I only watch it for the Black Widow. I know you already read that comment, but get Taco Bell at 11 in the morning. That sounds like a really good plan.
Clean you right out.
Yeah,
Clean you right out.
clean you right out with a fucking parasite from hell.
Yeah. Get an extra lettuce.
Oh my. Bro, you know what? That's actually not funny because I had Chipotle like a week ago and that actually it was horrible.
Oh no. Dude, I got lettuce in my garden. I should start selling it at a premium just because it's not fucked with.
It's grass fed.
Yeah. Grass-fed lettuce. When that parasite shit popped off, I ate it every night. Nothing in my area. You trying to get a fucking lawsuit going or something? Little late to the charts today. You guys took any trades? Alex took a couple. I think a win and a break even, right? You might have had did you have a loss in there too?
I took three. I took one loss, one win, and then one break even.
Gotcha. And I am flat. I got to the charts late as well, so excuse me. Nothing for me either. Today wasn't exactly. There was some plays. I think the only play for me would have been probably shorting 930, anticipating us to get down into um near the lows here. And then once we would have created that SMT with the Asia low at 930, I would have just closed out there. It would have been like a two-ish R play. It would have been something like this closure below here, creating the 50 or 5 minute bearish breaker, short the breaker, stop at the high, take it down to these lows.
Sorry, bro. It's just like Incubadia is like, no, bro, I'm running out of money. I need money. I got this shit with the most lettuce too.
That's funny. Needed the
I,
money.
I could tell because he's like, I ran out of money. I needed the money. He put like fucking $3 signs. I got this shit with the most lettuce too.
That's
Man,
tough.
you guys are on one today.
Yeah, you guys are crazy.
Crazy.
Y'all are crazy. He's still laughing. He's still laughing.
Oh my God. Gag reflex making me stop, but had to keep pushing. I was hoping and praying to get it. No, no, you're fucking crazy, bro.
Just go eat like raw chicken breast or some shit. I don't know. If you want to get sick, dude, that's crazy.
Okay, all right. Fucking committed to the bit now. I was jealous as fuck when Alex came on saying he's got stomach issues. Man, you guys don't want that. Honestly, it's horrible. God. Guys, I think NQ is going lower.
What makes you say that?
Honestly, though, boys, what a banger trade, though. At 9:30, what time was it at? I think it was at like 9:37. 9:37 trade was a banger.
Shitty outside. Supposed to rain today?
Does anyone know how to put yourself on like a no call list? Because I get like maybe not even getting 30 spam calls a day.
No, I have no idea. Sounds like your data got leaked though.
It's horrible, bro. Like, actually, I've had to block like 20 numbers and I still get.
Is it like scammers?
Yeah. Well, yeah. When you put yourself on the no call list, it usually adds more spam. How could that possibly be like that?
I've seen people sue individuals constantly calling. Dude, it's honestly annoying. Like I don't need to a point like I was kind of in that position too, like I don't know, maybe like a year ago where I was just constantly getting calls and it just honestly like I barely answer my phone unless I know like recognize the number or I'm expecting a call. I just like do not answer. But like if you're like in a bad mood or something and you like want to take it out on someone, then like pick up one of those calls for sure and just motherfuck them.
If I publicly announce that I will sue any spam callers and then they call me, can I sue? Like, will that hold up in court?
I mean, they're stupid scammers. You could probably just like tell them you're going to sue them and they won't call you again. I just changed my number till I got the one with the least spam. That's a dumb thing to do. It sounds like a pain in the ass.
Yeah, it sounds like a long process.
Oh, thanks, Bray. You're welcome. Happy to help. You have to get their forwarding info, then serve them. No problem. You don't have to do any of that. You just have to threaten them. 600 bucks per call.
This looks half decent here.
Pairs well with the ranging idea.
Yeah. Also, the divergence with ES.
We've had that divergence for a while now. We've had it since 9:30.
I like ES here, though, to be honest.
Do it.
Do it.
Do it.
Nah.
Yeah, I'm good. I'm good on all that.
Yeah, I'll leave the drawing on, boys, but I'm not going to take this.
It looks 100% to 190. Be my guest. 100% odds. Those are pretty good odds.
There's a 100% chance that there's a 50% chance that this hits. You like that one?
Put my brain in a
Sometimes I just
blender
see
with
you
that
like
one.
lean back. You're just like lean back on your chair. You actually have a
Or
neck.
just
What is that? A neck rest?
like a headrest, this thing.
Headrest?
It's a headrest, but I'm just too tall for my chair.
I don't have the headrest.
You also have a mouse the size of my pinky finger.
Yeah, but I got a Herman Miller though. You know what I'm saying?
You bought an overpriced chair. Congrats.
I actually got it at a this company basically went bankrupt and they started selling all their equipment. I
Oh,
got the
sick. They
Herman.
wholesaled all their stuff.
Yeah,
Nice. Wonder why
yeah.
they went bankrupt. Did it have something to do with them buying fucking Herman
Fucking
Millers?
10 Herman. So I actually managed to get, bro, it was a crazy steal. My brother and I went half and half. We got four Herman Miller chairs, identical for $600.
Holy shit.
Congrats, you bought an overpriced chair.
That's good. If you got it wholesale, then shit.
Yeah, yeah, no, it was super lucky.
He's in
We would have
medicine
bought
now.
more if we had room, like in the truck.
Flip them on Marketplace and there you
Yeah,
go.
easy flip.
Easy flips, man. Easy flips. My chair's shit. It's just from Wayfair.
That chair looks comfortable though.
It's good. It's served me well for like the past 3 years. 3 years or more.
What is your method for drawing the range for the purposes of finding EQ, and where do you think people get this wrong? I think of it in terms of impulses and what's the word that I'm looking for? Um, Almost like if you had to identify purpose, right? Like what are the incentives for creating a move? Where did this price leg come from? Where was the start of the move? Like that's always the question that I'm asking myself, right? So like for example, this was yesterday's 9:30 open. If we mark out the existing high right here, and I ask you, yo, Michael, where did this high? Because every high that has ever been created comes from a low, right? And every low that has ever been created comes from a high. So if I ask you, yo, Michael, from this high on ES, did this, where did that price leg come from? Where was the low that essentially created this high? You're going to tell me that it's this one here from the 9:30 from Thursday. So that's typically where I anchor my premium and my discount. So like just the high, the low, and then that's where I find the EQ. Ray might tell you something different or something similar, but that's typically how I find it.
um, yeah, I just do it kind of the same way as Kane, but I don't really use EQ or like draw premium discount like that. I'll use standard deviation projections for my targets. But like essentially like right now in this current range on the 15-minute chart, we have this high to this low is your 50%. That's your kind of range right there. But it's all fractal, right? Like on the 5-minute, it's this. Because if I drew from here, that wouldn't really make sense because that this range has already been delivered. It's already been efficiently delivered. So it'd be this, which then takes you to 200. But yeah, I don't really use it all that much. I don't use 50% as a target or anything like Kane does. I use standard deviations because I enter primarily on breaker blocks. So I have a built-in target with those. Do I use OTE? Not so much anymore.
Um, yeah, random. I can see that, yeah, because his background, it kind of reminds me like a cartographer type. Like the colors of your chart, Bray, it kind of reminds me of that.
Like the off-white kind of.
Yeah, yeah.
Do I use NWOG? Uh, sort of, I guess. Yeah, it's just an it's just like an inefficient price range. So I'll use it like anything else. I don't live by it like some people do, but it's all just information, right? I don't use it as a target, but a way to see where retracements should roughly end. Yeah, that's what I use standard deviations for.
Yeah, something's got to be wrong with the YouTube sub counter. So yeah, I'm expecting, or the reason why this looks decent to me is because ES just tagged into this discount. So I was hoping it would maybe translate into a move on NQ. Fucking long in this shit right now. Already long. Oh my god.
It's a crazy thing to say.
This is-
You guys are unhinged. I see this 50-minute gap here on the chart. See us get into that, maybe get continuations lower. Hey, you can get some of that ban if you want. Yeah, I get something better than $100. How about an 86,000 second ban?
86,000 second ban.
So funny. YouTube doesn't even say 24 hours, it says 86,000 seconds.
And you see one more day for Tradify? Fuck yeah. And like three more for TPT. Wait, did you get the 150Ks on TPT? Yeah. 150Ks from here is so hard to pass in one day if they have DLO. None of them have DLL. Don't. Da-da-da-da, don't. Da-da-da-da.
I like 25Ks with no DLL. I find it hard to trade 25Ks with like a responsible amount of risk. I feel like it'd be tough to stay within your risk parameters trading 25Ks if you're only risking like 125 bucks a trade
Yeah. 2
or like 100
micros.
bucks a trade. Yeah, like
Yeah. 25 points for
yeah,
2 micros.
like yeah, exactly. Like, and that's hard to come by unless you're like scalping the low time frames. Do you downsize after a loss?
No,
I don't. No.
me neither.
I think that mutes your edge, doesn't like that's what I think. Because like watch the next one be a win. And then
I've done it and it sucks.
and then you basically just like say you go for 2R and you take a full R loss, and then the next trade you cut your risk in half, and then you get your 2R, you basically just made back what you lost. That's not exactly like, you know, positive expectancy, you know. That's just a break even strategy with random risk management. So you keep your risk static regardless of how many L's you take, yeah.
Yep.
What if the next trade loses? Well then my life's over.
Well, I mean, like, what are
My
the
account's gone.
odds if you're trading like a fixed percent on your drawdown and you get X amount of trades? That's how you want to position yourself. Like, still, no, I'm not in this, bro. I don't know if you can see the text, but it says not in this drawing. It's just up. But if you're trading like a fixed percent of your DLL, the only reason for me to adjust my stop is my entry. I don't know
That's
what
a
you mean
bet.
by
You
that.
shouldn't do that either.
I don't know what you mean
Your
by that.
stop size determines your contract size. You don't form fit your contracts
Yeah, yeah, yeah,
to
yeah.
fit a specific stop size.
Yeah.
Like your
Your
stop
stop
losses
size.
should be based on invalidation, not by feel, not by like, well, I can get 5 micros on if I have my stop here. And it's like, okay, you just reduced your win rate for that specific model by however much, right? Every time you move your stop to a place where it's not supposed to be, you're just like you're fucking with your win rate.
It actually says I'm not in this. I'm up now. We're up.
But yeah, if the next trade loses Beverly, then I mean, shit, that's you're gonna lose 2 trades in a row. I don't think there's a single model on the planet that saves you from having a couple trade losing streak. Even good models go through bad periods with like between 5 and 6 or more losses. It's all about just sticking to the edge and not dicking around, you know? Because like what'll happen is everything will go great. You'll win a couple trades and then you'll go on a little bit of a lull and you'll get, say, 3 losses in a row. And then you get all bothered by it and then you change something. When really, if you just stuck to it, you would have probably been okay. I think humans are just very short term thinkers. They don't think long term because our egos kind of get in the way of things, right? So that's the hardest part, right? You can give a profitable model to someone, but
Guilty.
they won't know how to actually like extract the edge from it unless they have the ability to stick to it, right? Yeah, exactly. If you're on a bet, yeah, exactly, Jordan. No, and like no one's forcing you to trade. That's the funny thing. It's like no one's forcing you to take a trade. You can just like, you know, take a break. You're your own boss. You can do whatever you want. You can just take a break and come back. But it's hard to do, of course. But it's all hard. Blowing your accounts is hard, but so is sticking to an edge when it's not performing. Backtesting is hard, but so is trading without any sort of confidence in a specific setup or system. It's all hard. Choose your hard.
10:55. Boys, I think we called it.
Yeah,
There's nothing
I
to
don't
do.
have anything. No, nothing for me either.
Listen, boys, I appreciate you all. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to drop a like. Be sure to subscribe. Let's get to 5K. We'll do a giveaway next week. I think we'll just get over. Well, I think we'll get over the line over the weekend. But thanks for watching. Thanks for stopping by. Drop a like. Be sure to use. What do we got? We got TPT with 40% off. Lucid with 30% off. Use code LAB at your favorite firms. Drop a like, boys, and we will see you guys next week. Peace out.
Sir, see you guys.